Hi guys, welcome to Cognitive Hub SQL tutorials. In this video, I am going to explain about how to copy a contents of one table into another table. Now, how to do that and all, I am going to explain in this video using a insert into select command, select clause. Now, without wasting any time, let's dive into the topic. Okay guys, here what I want to do is, first of all, here I have previously created a table for salaries which contains a data like this. Only 3 records are there. Now what I want to do is, I want to copy the entire table into another table, just to want to make a redundant copy of the entire salaries, because if suppose this particular database got if this particular table suppose deleted, so we have a copy of that particular salaries in this database, or you can also copy that into another database as well. So what I am doing is, first of all, I want to create a sample file, like a table here. Create table, copy underscore salaries, and I want to make the values as, sorry, I want to make a data types as the same, less just like I said, which have a salaries, as well as which have in salaries. Now UID as a int, and then salaries, u underscore salary, which is also an integer. Now I am running it. Sorry, I am running it. If you run it, table copy underscore salaries created. Now what we want to do is, I want to copy the contents from salaries into a copy underscore salaries. So how to do that means, we have insert to clause here. Now I am writing insert to here. Insert to on which table you want to copy the contents. So here I want to copy it into copy underscore salaries, and then you need to specify the command, the query which you want to store it in copy underscore salaries. So I want to do select star from salaries. So what it is doing is, it will first of all run this query select star from salaries, and whatever the output that we are getting, it will directly stored in the copy underscore salaries. Now I am running it. So 3 rows are inserted. So if we should do the select star from copy underscore salaries, so here what happens is, we haven't inserted any data into a copy underscore salaries, but if we run this insert to command, that means copying a content from one table to another table. So if you run this, so we have this type of data which is present in the copy underscore salaries. So here we have copied it from the salaries table complete data. Suppose if you want to copy only the basic information, suppose if you want to copy only where some salary is greater than 40,000. So if you do this type of commands, it will only run the like a very few, the current copy underscore salaries contains 3 records. Let us see how many records are there after executing these records. Here total of 5 records will be there. The first 3 records are already there for the previous execution. These are the 2 records that we got. These 2 records will contain salary as greater than 40,000, because we do not get this first record. So this is how you can also copy the particular information of that one particular table after segregating using a conditions. You can also copy it into another table. So this is how you will copy, or you will populate the data from one table into another table using a whatever it may be the conditions that you want. You can also do group by here, and you can also specify the aggregating functions here, and you can do whatever it may be. So this is how you will copy the data from one table into another table. So that is all for this video guys. Thank you for watching.